Hey guys and girls, welcome to another quick tutorial. This time we're gonna do a quick lesson about how to import objects with material inside 3ds Max, and I'm using V-Ray as my render engine. That's why I downloaded it from a site which is called 3D Sky. 3D Sky, yeah. Which is a very nice site. You should definitely check it out if you haven't yet. You can download a lot of free models with V-Ray materials applied on them, and also you can purchase models, but I usually use the freeware, which is fine to go. And let's say I have a shelf in my scene which I didn't draw yet, but uh, we're gonna have, okay, let's make a quick box just to place my objects somewhere. So on this box, which I suppose is like uh, a table, a side table, let's say, and I want to place some books on it. So I downloaded this model and I wanna merge it into my scene. So this is already the right location where I saved this book and I unzipped it. It's actually more books. So let's bring this in. Yes, all, and be sure that everything looks right here. Okay, rescale. Yeah. If you use it all the time, this will be your default. Anyways, Chakadi. So this box is just very huge. Yeah, let's say this is 50 by 50 by 50. Okay, this is more like a real sized. Let's make this okay, I'm getting picky now. So these books, now that they're imported, they just look somehow boring. Something is missing, and as you already guessed right, it is the materials. So what we're gonna have to do is check them out. Like, we could do this method, and we're gonna see it's a multi-sub object material. We want the cover, which has a diffused material, and as you can see here, we have a path problem because this is not really my path that I saved my my maps and my model in. This is probably the name of the guy who modeled this object. But Alex, no, that's not me. And if I click here, it will bring me to the right direction, but the path I could use, like, I could do the and check it out. Okay, cover 4. Uh, and here it is. Yes, it already shows in my viewport, which is very nice. You know why? First, let me do this, because usually what you're gonna find is your settings like this. Okay, so this cover you have to activate to see it, blah blah blah, which is a very very long kind of story. You have to do this for all your maps in the entire model or in the entire scene that you imported, so that's gonna take a long time, which we don't have. So guys, let's use another method that is way more quicker, and it works like this. Go to customize, configure user path, external references, and add a new one, and add the location where you saved it. In my case, that's gonna be here. Decoration, most of it is in German, some is not. Then let's see, books, 3D Sky. Yeah, this is the location. I use this path, and there are all my maps inside this folder. So good, all the maps for this model. So Now, you can't really see any difference. That's because usually you have to go to Views, Show Materials in Viewport As, and Show Shaded Materials with Maps. I had this activated previously, so tucked. That's what's gonna get. You look how fine this model looks now. I could go render this now all day, save it to my library. Oh, and the box. Let's obviously make this a group called box and place this fella right here on my box, on top of my box, and voila, this is a very nice looking model. Now it's just a matter of this guy, which has a weird color. Good. I could obviously apply a texture. Anyways, it's just for you to know how you could easily import models and have your materials applied. Goodbye, have a wonderful day, and I hope you saved some quality time with this tutorial.